Let's return now to that news about former England soldier John Thorpe, who's died at the age of just 55. The batsman played exactly 100 tests for England between 1983 and scoring over 6,700 runs. He was regarded as one of the finest